The first thing I'm going to do is pull out my protective cutting board from my cutting board. And now I'm going to put on my apron. Another thing you can do is just wrap yourself in saran wrap. And now we're ready for the stainiest fruit I know of, the pomegranate. Not to be confused with the palm of granite. The P in pomegranate stands for pentagon because of the pentagonal structure you can see around the edges. We're going to cut a circle around the edge to create a serpentagon and then pull the top off. Now we'll cut around the cork and pull that out. Now you just want to cut down each side of the pentagonal walls, then pull it apart to get easy access to the alien pods. Looks like the Pentagon has a secret compartment here. Defense contracts. Some people might call this a hexagon, but they don't know what they're talking about. Now you can rip a piece off and just eat it like an orange slice if you don't care about your clothes. Or you can flip the whole thing over a bowl of water and give it a nice spanking. This is the benefit of getting most of the seeds out while also teaching your pomegranate an important lesson about something. Now you can manually pull out the white pieces, or you can also do this over a bowl of water and then strain the white bits off the top since they float. Then strain the stain sacs, then strain your back from all that great effort you just put in. Good job. Pomegranate. Another thing you can do is give the pomegranate a good shake to loosen up the seeds, then grab a 12-inch length of tube and just jam it in there. There we go. Then you can just pour those seeds out. But an even easier way is to take a standard semi-porous drinking glass and just do a slam, bam, thank you pomegranate. You can also just slice down the middle of the pomegranate and then give it a good roll to leave a trail of seeds that you can hoover up like an aardvark. You can also cut 3 holes in the top to make a pepper pomegranate and just sprinkle those seeds out. And finally, this last method can occasionally cause pomegranate juice spray, so we're going to do it outside. You start by giving your palm a nice roll.